What's up, everybody? Trevor here with Maker Experiment, back out in my shop. This is actually going to be the vlog, I guess, for part 2 of redoing my garage. As you can see behind me, there's old insulation. That's going to get ripped out in this episode. The other walls are completely bare, so they're ready for insulation. The ceiling is bare, ready for insulation. And then above that, in the truss area, that's all ready for installation. So tomorrow, actually, the installation company is coming to do spray foam. So I need to organize my garage, try to get everything out from the walls, cover it up as best I can, and rip out that insulation, and then get everything out of the trusses that I was using as storage. So this is going to take a bit. Let's get to work. Oh, before that, if you like what you see during the video, and you like videos like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell to get notified every time I release a new video. And I'm going to walk you through me going and redoing my garage as well as other projects. So without further ado, now I'm going to get started. Okay, now the insulation is ripped out. So I should have wore long sleeves. I knew that, but it's also 110. Let's hope it's not too bad. Anyway, all the insulation's ripped out. Now it's time to go ahead and get the stuff out of the trusses that I was storing up there. Get the stuff off the walls that's hanging up, and try to get everything in the middle of the garage so they can spray on the walls, spray in the ceiling, everything else. So this is going to take a while. So time lapse. Alright, so I got most of the stuff out of the trusses. There's only a board and a couple of racks that I used for a craft show once. Bugs are everywhere now. I'm probably gonna leave that up there. I don't totally care if it gets overspray on it. But I'll talk to the people in the morning when they get here. The rest of this stuff, Honestly, I'm probably gonna just wheel it out of the garage so that it's not in here while they're doing it, and just leave it in my driveway. I'll be here all day, so probably the best way to do it from just like a cover up standpoint. But for now, I'm going to clean up, go to bed, get some rest, and then tomorrow wake up early and try to deal with all this. Go to tomorrow. What's going on, everybody? It's the next day. The spray foam people are on the way. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. So I need to get a lot of this stuff in the garage out, at least into the driveway. Start that. And I think they're going to be here in like 30 minutes. So I need to hurry. So let's get to it. Okay, so the installation guys are done. They just left. Everything is scraped and ready to be drywalled, which isn't happening today, probably not even this week or next. But I need to get everything that's in my driveway, which is all of my stuff, all my tools. I need to get it all back in the garage. So that's what I'm going to do now. So this is actually a few weeks later. I noticed when I was editing that I didn't record the outro. So if you like what you saw during the installation part of my garage overhaul, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. There's going to be a few more coming of the rest of the things I did, including the drywall, which you can already see behind me. So if you like what you saw, go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Maker Experiment, and I will see you in the next video.